ఇంకా 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ కాలే ఇంకా మళ్ళీ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ అవి ఇవన్నీ అడిగినా కదా. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ this question, first of all, finally, for what reason the old man tell the reason for his misery? Means they are asking what is the reason. You tell me the reason why old man tell the reason for his misery. Means he is told, old man told his problem. The reason, finally what reason the old man tell the reason for his misery. They are asking that why old man told the reason to unknown person. Okay, his problem. So they are given option. The old man did not feel the Ishwar Chandra was an unknown person. The old man believed him. The old man needed his help. Ishwar Chandra was very kind. What's the answer? In this, B and D also okay. You are told B also will come, but you have to go through the passage. Once see this. In this C. Then the person asked the old man sympathetically. First of all, see from here. One day person was walking on the road. We already know that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was walking on the road of Calcutta. There he saw an old man in a miserable state, in a sad state. Okay, that's enough. Okay, till we have understood. Then the person asked the old man sympathetically. Sympathetically means feeling some, showing some sympathy on him. Means feeling the unknown person. Ishwara Chandra Sagar also felt somewhat sad by seeing him with miserable state. Brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. Tell me the reason for your sorrow. The old man hesitated a minute to answer an unknown person. How he can tell his problem directly seeing unknown person? Okay, if you are seeing unknown person, you will tell your all problems to the unknown person. No, you should not tell, or you should not meet any stranger. You should be far away from the strangers. Strangers or unknown person, all are same. Okay, here later means after hesitating for 1 minute, later the old man replied, I am very poor and I took loan from the money lender to get my daughter's marriage. Though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. The money lender wanted to take a legal action on me. Okay, that doesn't mean that he is telling the problem means he can solve. Why he have to solve his problem? They both are not relatives. They both don't know each other, but he can help. How he can solve? Okay, if he is a sympathy, he is showing sympathy on him, means he is feeling sad by seeing his miserable state. Means by seeing him sad, so by seeing him sad, he is also feeling sad. Means okay, he can help. We also, if we feel some people sad, we can, if we get thought of helping others. But how you will help? Now you are there, you have some people around you, you are seeing that, you are felt that they are feeling unhappy. Okay, they are being unhappy. You are go and ask them why you are unhappy. But if they didn't, you are going and asking them why you are unhappy. If they tell that I took money 1 lakh from money lender, then what you will do? You will give 1 lakh rupees. Okay, you have that much capabilities? Do you have 1 lakh rupees? Like that only, he didn't have. Means unknown persons, everyone won't have money now. Okay, that's why. But he told, because he will give some solutions. What he have given? He then unknown person means Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar inquired about the code. He inquired in the code to get the solution for that problem. What's the problem? He took the money. Understood? How can he repay those all money? Is Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar or unknown person? If he rich also, he won't give directly money, or he won't help like that in the sense of money. He will help emotionally, or he will give some solutions like that only. In this, you go through answers. Why did finally, for what reason the old man tell the reason for his misery, means why he was sitting sadly, why he was why he was in problematic condition. So they are asking why he told to unknown person. The old man did not feel the Ishwara Chandra was unknown person. No, what is that feeling? If you are you felt any unknown person as a known person? Have you any day did you felt the unknown person as a known person? No, I think you didn't felt the unknown person as known person. So option A is absolutely wrong. So the old man did not feel that Ishwara Chandra was an unknown person. He is unknown person actually. So in this they are giving he did not feel. So option A is wrong. The old man believed him. It will come for up to 50% only. But he is told the reason because the old man needed his help. No, it's not reason. It's not correct answer, because unknown person will help you. No, they won't help you. Unknown person will give you. Unknown person. Are you have you any time believed in unknown persons? Okay, I will ask you one question. If you go to school first day one, if you go to school day, I think, have you went to school first day, you went to school first day, you went to school, beside you one person is sitting, without answering him, you will tell everything, every problem of yours without interacting with him. It's the friend who will be beside you, without discussing with him directly, you will tell the problems of you. No, you won't tell. After interacting closely with him only, you will tell the problems, or you will tell your experiences now. So like that only, in this, unknown person is unknown person. How can he tell directly those all reasons, those all his persons? So in this only, directly in this only they have given. You go to the passage only, this wonderful passage, then the people asked the old man sympathetically, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. Here, this sentence is answer. So in these type of questions, you have to see carefully. This sentence is showing that he is Ishwara Chandra was very kind person. If you are kind to others only now, you will ask them what's going in your life, means why you are feeling sorrow. Okay, its answer is actually D. Okay, anyone have doubt, you may tell me the doubt. I am unmuting everyone. Yes, I have unmuted everyone. If you have any doubt, Madhulika raised your hands. What's your doubt? Tell me your doubt, Madhulika. Fastly.
Sir.
Tell me your doubt. Have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you understood why Ishwara Chandra was very kind? Answer.
Sir, the old man didn't know that Ishwar Chandra, that person.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, tell.
Sir, means answer what, sir? B and D?
Option? No. Option B is absolutely wrong answer. The old man believed him. How can you believe the unknown person? First question. How can, so you don't go out of the box. In this only you go. In this sentence only you go. Then the person asked the old man.
Your voice is talking.
Yes, see. Okay.
Your voice is.
So in this passage only they have given. The old man hesitated a minute to answer a unknown person. He's hesitated actually, but why he told the
Sir,
answer
it's
again?
talking.
Okay, I will unmute everyone, then it will be good. Okay, I will say. Okay, in this, see, what is the reason in this only there? So, actually, the old man hesitated a minute. For a minute, he hesitated for a minute to answer an unknown person. Later, the old man replied. For what question he has replied? Brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. He replied for the brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. For this question, he told the answer. So, what is this sentence is representing? Tell me, everyone, anyone in the class. Tell me the reason. What is this sentence? Tell me the meaning of this sentence. Means this what this sentence showing. Brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. Means what's character? Could anyone tell me the character of him by this sentence? Anyone in the class? Try. This sentence only showing that brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. This sentence is showing that means
Sir,
that
he,
is
sir,
kind.
he was kind.
That this sentence not
He
explaining
was
that
kind.
this sentence not explaining that I am you can believe on me. You can believe on me. I will give all your money. You can keep full belief on me. No, it doesn't mean that you can believe
Sir,
on me.
was
First of all,
talking.
where you
Sir, your voice is stuck.
yes, my
Sir,
internet
he
was
Your
suffered.
voice is
Okay, it will be
stuck.
now it will be good. Okay, now it will be good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it will be
Okay,
good.
sir.
Okay, so answer first of all, where is the answer? Answer is there from this brother. Tell me the reason for your sorrow. Okay, tell me the reason for your sorrow. For this question, he asked that question. No? So option is there in the Ishwara Chandra was very kind. If you want to understand this perfectly, you can go through this passage.
Voice is talking.
Okay,
Sir,
you
your
may go.
voice is stuck.
If it
The
stucks, you
screen
can.
not coming.
Now it will come. Wait for 30 seconds. What you are doing for? Changes. You just for 5-10 minutes. Wait for 10. Okay, so you go through this passage at least for 3 to 4 times. Okay, in this passage they have given indirectly. Understood? 3-4 times minimum required. Understood? So in example, how you will read? Then if they give this type of passage means you need to get speed reading habit. That's why you need speed reading. Okay, in latest passages they are not giving this much depth questions, passages, in-depth passages. I have seen that the 2020 passage. It's very easy. They have given she went for traveling. Her experience just it's a very traveling that one passage. All passages are easy only, but in this they have told that incident. In this you have to understand the character of that person. I think can anyone show this? Where is the answer? Can anyone show the pick the sentence, exact sentence in the answer? Means you told that na old man believed him.
My screen is not coming.
Yes, wait for 30 seconds. I have done like this. That's why it will happen.
Very well. Screen is not coming.
Yes, wait for 30 seconds. 30 seconds you wait.
Screen suddenly stucking.
Yes, it will stuck like that only. I have scrolling like that. Na? Okay, wait for 30 seconds. Okay, so you pick once. You only tell me the answer. What is the reason why the old man believed in him is correct answer? Is there mentioned in this passage? Is this answer is mentioned in this passage? Where he has mentioned? You tell me the answer. You all are told that second option is correct, na? You show me where it's there. In which line it is the answer is there. You may show once, show it once. But I will show why he is kind person. He is kind person because he asked that question. Brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. Means those kind persons only will care for unknown persons or other persons. If another people means unknown persons, if surrounding people are facing any unhappy situation, means they are miserable, they will ask somewhat. At least they will ask and they'll tell that solution. That doesn't mean that they will give money and they will, you believe on me. They won't tell like that. Okay. If you give some your belief to others, you can't stand. You can't stand. Okay. You can't stand in that words. Okay. You tell me. You show me the answer. Where is believe me. Where in the sentence showing that old man believed unknown person? Where it is showing the old man is believed unknown person? Okay, wait. First, I will tell the trick. In this, these type of questions will come, means what you have to do. This is somewhat typical question. So, Ishwar Chandra's kind answer is very correct answer, absolutely correct answer. But if you face somewhat difference, you have to leave this. Okay, you have to, if you have a time to do after end of the passage, means after completing remaining questions of the passage, you can do. Or if you feeling somewhat very typical in this, you can put any answer, any one of the option. You can choose any one option and you have to go ahead. Understood? You should leave this question. It's better thing. It's a very valuable suggestion from me. Okay, you have to leave this type of means if you have time, means you can go on reading. How you will get time? You have to improve speed reading. How you will get that speed reading? You have to practice at least 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Go on reading. Okay, so that you will improve speed. Okay, next question. So answer is D. If anyone will prove this option is B, you can call me. You can call me and you can text me. You can prove me. But you can't prove this because it's a wrong answer. Next, why did Ishwara Chandra ask about the date of next hearing? Because he was a liar.
Sir, always off
He
and
is
again
anxious.
coming.
Yes, it will come because I am scrolling like this now. It will load somewhat. It will take some time to load because I think your network connection also problematic. Okay.
Sir, always off and again coming.
Still now also.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, everyone in the class. Bonusry. What's unmute and tell. Is it visible properly or offing?
Sir, scrolling means not coming.
Okay, scrolling means it takes.
Again came.
Okay,
Sir,
if I am.
After scrolling coming, sir.
Yes, if I scroll like this, means it takes at least 20 to 30 seconds to load properly. You wait for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so you see properly. I won't scroll like this fastly. See, why did Ishwara Chandra asked about date of next hearing? Because he was a liar. He is anxious of knowing it. He loved the old man. He could not pay back the loan he has taken.
Sir, this is difficult.
Okay. Why did Ishwara Chandra asked about the date of next hearing? Because he is a liar. Ishwara Chandra is not a liar. They have mentioned Ishwara Chandra is social reformer. Absolutely. You have to eliminate. A option is absolutely wrong answer. He is anxious of knowing it. Okay, it may be the answer. Okay, you have to wait for the B. He loved the old man.
No.
But okay, he didn't love, but he felt a sympathy. He felt somewhat sad. That doesn't mean that he is loving you. Understood? That there are many difference between love and feeling somewhat. Showing some sympathy. If your feelings very sad, means some people will show sympathy, no? Okay. Answer C also will not come. He could not pay back the loan he taken. Why did Ishwara Chandra ask about the date of next hearing? He is anxious of knowing it. Absolutely B or D. Which one is correct answer? He could not pay back loan he has taken.
B. Sir, B. Sir, option B.
Why not D?
Sir, Ishwar Chandra not took na loan.
Yes, very good. You have get deep into this sentence. Okay, very good. But actually they have given answer D, but D is absolutely wrong answer. When Ishwara Chandra is there in he position, understood? He could not pay back the loan he has taken. Who, if we consider he as old man could not pay back the loan he's taken. Yes, old man could not pay back now. Here in the sentence they have given. The unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filed. Okay, see here, here answer is there. So here, though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. Here he have given here, because why he can't pay? He has done his daughter's marriage with that money. Though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. The money lender wanted to take legal action on me. Legal action means what we'll call court hearings. Legal means where it will go? Court. It will go through courts. So then the unknown person inquired about the court. Okay. Then he inquired about the court. So then answer will come. He is anxious of knowing it. He anxious of knowing it, but they have given answer as D. By considering that he could not pay back the loan he has taken. He could not pay back the loan he has taken means not Ishwara Chandra. They have felt that to that old man. So actually answer is B. Okay, very good. Next, 11th one. Yes, B now. Everyone in the class. Answer B.
Option B, sir.
B or D? D for dog or B for bat? Answer.
So B.
Sir, option B. B.
Yes, D also comes.
B.
D also comes. D when comes? He in the sense.
He refers to the old man that time.
If you refers to he refers to who? Old man. But latest passages they won't give this type of this ugly questions, because in this two answers will come, because they have given answer D. I am telling D also will come, but D when it will be correct, he represent that old man. But here already question they have given that Ishwara Chandra asked about the date of hearing. So answer is B is absolute correct answer. D they have given, but D is 50%. D is correct only when the old man is there in the he position, means pronoun. Okay, the old man was very much worried in the court because he could not get his daughter's marriage. He was very poor. Ishwara Chandra did not believe him. He could not repay the
He
loan.
could not
he has
pay.
taken.
Not. He
Yes.
could not
Could not
repay the
pay
loan
loan.
he has taken.
Why he has worried? If his name yes, if his name will not come in the court, who will
Option D,
give a
sir.
solution for his problem? If lawyers are not giving a solution for his problem, that person, that money lender will take his lawyer and make him to collect his money. So that's why he could not repay the loan he has taken. That's why he has worried. He was much worried about, I am not getting solution in the court also, where I have to go. So that's why he could not repay the loan back now. That's answer is absolutely D. Correct answer. Next, why did the suit on the old man revoked? Suit, case file. Understood. Ishwara Chandra paid the loan on him on his behalf. A court official paid the loan on his behalf. The money lender did not show much interest on suit. Evidence
Ishwar
was not
Chandra paid
compelled.
the loan on his behalf. Paid the loan of his behalf.
Yes, very good. A is absolutely correct answer. Next, not only the old man was surprised, but he was happy for. The court did not find fault with the old man. The unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf. The court did not call on his name. There was no need for him to repay the loan. Not only the old man was surprised, but
Sir,
he was
B
happy
and
for.
D come. So B
He
and
means,
D, sir.
who is he? Who is he in this sentence?
దాని తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి 2-3 days ముందు ఇక్కడ
Ishwara Chandra.
Old man.
Sir, always often again coming.
Now it will come. Wait for 20 seconds.
కూడా
Now
20 seconds.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16.
Sir.
Now, is it visible? Bonusri?
Yes,
Madhulika,
sir.
is it visible? Yes, okay, we'll go ahead. Not only the old man was surprised, but he was happy for. Okay. He in the sentence, what he is showing? First of all, what is he?
Old
What is the parts of speech of he?
Old man.
Very good, very good.
Old man.
He is yes,
Old man.
old man.
Sir,
and they
always
have-
voice checking and screen not coming, sir. Sir, always often on.
Okay, no problem. It will be recorded in YouTube. You may watch there also. Okay. Now you listen. Okay, you wait for sometimes because we have to complete it fastly. Na? You may listen in YouTube. It will be uploaded properly. Okay. Okay, see, listen properly. Not only the old man was surprised. Means not only surprised, they are telling that indirectly, not only surprised, not only the old man was surprised, but he was happy for, the court did not find the fault with old man. The unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf. The court did not call on his name. There was no need for him to repay the loan. First of all, why he surprised? Tell me the answer. He surprised for unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf, or the court did not call on his name because there was no need for his. The court did not call on his name. He was surprised because the court did not call on his name. Then he was happy for the unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf. Understood?
The court, sir, he worried because the court did not call on his name. Not surprised.
He worried.
Wait. We'll go through passage only. I will show. I have seen. On the date of hearing, where it was started. Okay, I will read from this only. On the date of hearing, the old man waited in the court for his name to be called. But the court did not call on his name. The old man was very much worried and inquired the reason for not calling his name. The court people told that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. On hearing this, old man felt very happy. The old man came to know that person was inquired about his loan. On the road, have repaid the loan. The unknown person on Calcutta was okay. In this, what is showing? So in this, they have given why he felt happy. They have, you remove this, you leave this surprise. But he was happy for why he was happy. The court did not find fault with the old man. The unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf. The court did not call on his name. There was no need for him to repay the loan. We'll go through passage once again.
So option D.
Okay, I will go through passage once again.
Option D.
The old man was very much worried. Okay, it's not. The court people told him that debt due to his name was repaid totally and suit was revoked. On hearing this, the old man felt very happy. From here to here it will come. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. So not only the old man was surprised, but he was happy for the court did not find fault with the old man. Unknown person repaid the loan on himself. The court, there was no need to repay the loan. Yes, option D. They have given now. The court people told him that debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. Okay, option D is absolutely correct answer or wrong answer?
Sir,
Tell me.
I think that the court people said that case was revoked. That time only he happy. After he asked them who repaid.
Okay, we'll go through this once again. I will explain. So, see here. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and said suit was revoked. On hearing this, old man felt very happy. Why he felt very happy? Repaid totally. The debt due on his name was repaid totally. Understood? Repaid totally or case file closed. The court did not find the fault with old man. Wrong answer. The unknown person repaid the loan on his belief. Okay, once we'll check this. Wait. The court did not call his name. No, it didn't surprise for this. It didn't felt happy for this. There was no need for him to repay the loan. No. Option D also not come. Not. There is no need for him to repay the loan. Or the unknown person repaid the loan on himself. I have understood B. B is absolutely correct answer. Why B? I have understood why B is the answer. Who has understood? Show your thumb. If you want understood, you don't show your thumb. Okay, you didn't understood. I will tell. I will tell. See, listen carefully. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. When the case file will cancel, first of all, if you got case file, if you got case on you, when it will be cancelled, that money will be paid. So here they are telling that the court people told to old man that the debt due means the money should be paid on his name was repaid totally. Who paid? Unknown person only, no? We don't know who paid, but repaid totally. So him debt due, his name was repaid totally, and the suit was revoked. On hearing what? This sentence, this incident. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally, and the suit was revoked. On hearing this, the old man felt very happy. Why he felt very happy? The unknown person repaid the loan on him. Is the help. Okay, they didn't tell that court did not find fault with the old man. They found he had to pay that money. Already they was paid by others. The court did not call it on his name. They told that you have to. They told, you see, correctly catch that point. Paid, repaid the loan. Understood? Answer is B. Absolutely correct answer. Have you understood or not? Still not understood? Yes, Komal, have you any doubt? You ask the doubt. First of all, you ask the doubt in this 13th. Doubt.
No, sir.
Ask bonus. Ask your doubt.
Sir, on hearing this, the old man felt happy. That sentence have na?
Yes.
Before that sentence, he had listened
that this one. Yes, repaid totally and suit was and case file was closed. So yes, very good. You are tell me your doubt.
The court people told him that debt due on his name was repaid. That's why he happy.
Very
After
good.
he came to know that
So
old man,
yes, very good. For this, how much understanding you need? You have to. For this, if you are unable to understand now, means no problem, because you are growing children. But to face in exam at the exam time, if you are unable to understand, means it's your problem. Means because you didn't prepared well before the exam, so you have more time. They told that they will mention the exam date before 15 days. Okay, 15 days before only they will give the exam date. So you have more than 15 days. So you go on reading, practice well, read well. Okay, speed reading. If you read again and again, what will happen? You will get speed reading habit. That will be useful. You can complete this type of big passage or a typical passage easily. Okay. So answer is absolutely B is correct answer. You go and again you go after completing this class, you read it once again. Okay. Once again, more times and get clarified. Okay. I am ending this meeting. Very good. You have stayed till now. Very good. Simon with Madhulika, Bhuvanasri, Komal, Revant, Hamsini, Madhulika, Sayar Shavardhan. Very good. Your patience. I have to appreciate for your patience. Till now you have listened patiently for one passage for 60 minutes. This was a typical passage, actually the incident. Okay. So, but what you have to do? You have to practice. If you are listening to me, what's your doubt? Tell me.
Option D correct only.
Option D, there was no need for him to repay the loan. Unknown people repaid the. Yes, D also come. Okay. D also will come. There was no need to repay the loan. Okay, wait. You are came to good question. But that sentence telling that he no need to repay the loan, that also come, but you have to pick as absolute sentence, means he have told that repaid totally. See, the debt due on him, debt due on his name was repaid totally. Already the total money was repaid. On hearing this only, he felt very happy. That's why I am telling that the unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf. So that's why B is absolute answer. You read once again. So B, one option you have to choose. Now that's why B is absolute. 3 will come, but only 50%. It's you can, if you understand sentence properly, you will get the answer. You read it once again. If you feel still D, you can ask me tomorrow. I will show you in detail. Okay, but you can see here once again. You can see here. See, I will read slowly, perfectly. Once listen. The court people told him that the debt due on his name, on old man name, was repaid totally. All the money was repaid and suit was revoked. The case file was cancelled. On hearing this, the old man felt very happy. On hearing what? The court people told that your debt due was repaid totally. On hearing this only, he felt very happy. That's why answer is the unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf. That's why he felt very happy. But he was very happy for this answer. You read once again, read again and again, you will get clarification. So if you
Okay, sir, I
feel D,
understand.
you may still feel D, you may again ask me tomorrow, or you can call to me. Okay, next you
Yes,
can
sir, I
we can
understand.
you can I yes, you can ask tomorrow in the class only. By without calling you, I can't explain. No? In the Zoom meeting only, it's very easy. Okay, what you have to do, you have to read again and again and again sentences and passages, and you have to understand. Understanding is most important. To understand, you have to go on reading. Practice. Okay, practice well. Practice makes human perfect. Okay, right. Yes, right. Okay, I'm ending this meeting. Very good, children.